Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let me briefly introduce myself. My name is Putri Hasnani Danandini. You can call me Hasna or Putri, it's up to you. I'm from Intensive English Intermediate 2, Muhammadiyah University of Purwokerto. I'm happy to be able to make a mini presentation of tip or how to choose a college major. The purpose of this presentation I made is to help you all in choosing a major that suits your interests and talents, because most Indonesian students are still confused about choosing a college major. Okay, I will start with why do students choose college major? The second is how should you choose a college major? Then the third, how do we get the characteristic of college major? And finally, how to pressure student fit with the characteristic of the major. Okay, the next slide. Why do students choose college majors? The first, follow friends. Two, the most important things is to enter a state university. 3. Pressure from parents. Then, in the next slide, I will discuss about how should you choose a college major. The first, according to one you like. Actually, the potential that is in you can be known easily, For example, what do you do in your spare time? Cooking, watching anime, or writing? If this actually is done often and makes you excited, choose a major that is related to the activity. For example, majoring in broadcasting if for choose who like to watch and have aspiration to make their own films. The second, according to your interests and talents. Relax, interest and talent are not only about producing works. Everyone has their own advantages. Maybe you just aren't aware of it. Who knows, if you turn out to be a good listener and are often asked for advice when your friends are in trouble, you are suitable for majoring in psychology or counseling teacher education. Then, research on majors. It is important to know the courses, challenge, and future job prospects. This will help you to have an idea about your studies and not worry about that you want to be after graduate. Next, college research. Several university organize campus tours to invite prospective students to get to know the campus environment. At the event, you can ask about tuition fees, scholarships, and so on. And last, pay attention to cost studying. Make sure you discuss with your parents so you don't burden them in the future. Okay, in the next slide, I will be discuss about how do we get the characteristic of college majors. The first, from the syllabus of college majors. Two, from interview and observation of students in a college majors. Okay, then on the next slide, there is how to measure student fit with the characteristic of the major with a major compatibility test. This test will test the suitability of students will dozens of major at university, and the second will provide recommendation for major that match the potential and interest of student in the form of a major match score. Okay, well, that's is for this part. Here is a brief recap of the main point. Conclusion: the selection of college major should be based on what you like, not what your friend choose. The selection of major is also based on interests and talents. You also have to major, research majors, research university, and most importantly, pay attention to tuition fees. Does anyone have any question or comments? If you have any question, you can ask them in the comment column, which I will answer later. Thank you.